Hello, family, friends, and fellow gamers. Grumpy Gnome here, and we have just completed archaeological site, and we've defeated the Doomsayer, and now we are off to Lighthouse. And let's find our quickest way off the map. We are going back to the west and we're going to clear that region first, and then we're going to head over to the east to places like Firewine and Gullykin. But this right here is Seawatcher, or Lighthouse, if you're familiar with the original, is our destination. This is all going to be after we clear the coast. So here we go. We have rested. We got our spells, and all is well. It looks like we came in at the top of the map, which we can deal with because the major encounters are all going to be over here. So I'll tell you what, let's go south, cut across, do the easy ones first, and then there's a cave over here that we're going to save for the last
with ease
encounter. So here we go, here we go, here we go now. My students will recognize that. Oh, we had fun in class. I miss
must
it.
rest.
Oh, really?
A bad case of armor
Minx?
chief.
Okay.
even the most prolific adventurer must take some time to rest.
And that is the result of a squishy member. Okay, you know what? Rest if we must. No, you know what? Let's. Oh, geez, what would you do? Let's try and see what happens. We need to rest more on the streets here, so yeah, we'll try it. Here we go. Rest. Dang. I really don't like to rest in the adventures, but you know what? It was nighttime, and ta-da! It's daytime. So this is gonna make for much better adventuring. So maybe we did the right thing, and I'm sure Minsk and Koran appreciate what we did. At least they better. Okay, going south, that's archaeological site right down here. Nope, this one. And this was the Bear River. And I don't
Not
think
a
there's
problem.
anything here since we pretty much cleared all that. Yeah. So let's stay here.
With ease.
We can go to the west. Well, no, we can't go to the west. I think that's what I was trying to say. Oops, and we got us a little fluffy, a furry friend, as they become known on Facebook. Everybody's talking about their furry friends, and we kill our furry friends. And just like that, did. Oh, look at this. And that's going to be on top of us before we can kill them all. So let's at least take out the first one with one shot. And now let's go ahead and switch to.
You point, I punch.
Okay,
Yes?
get in there. Boom. And everybody.
I stand ready.
All right.
For the fallen!
Yep. Okay. And one more.
For right.
All right.
I
Always
am.
am. There we go.
Not a problem.
Okay. We will have sirens on this map, and we will have to learn how to deal with them. In a perfect world, you would have somebody who has magic immunity that will not fall victim to the spells.
Good on you if you save the day.
All right. I don't. Whoops. This is the person is probably Ardrouine. Ardrouine. I think she's got the kid who ran into the lighthouse. So let's talk to her. My kid.
Hey, ya, friend.
Oh, y'all, friend, please help me. I don't know where else to turn. My little boy was playing in the abandoned lighthouse to the northwest when a pack of wargs surrounded it. Please, just turn them back. I can coax them down. There's not much time. Okay. So, rescue child in the lighthouse. Of course, she's not coming along. I thought she was going to coax him down, but maybe not. See, we can't go west here. So let's go up. And this is going to start taking us to the beach, but we have some unfinished business up here, like the lighthouse, which I think is right here. And those wargs are probably going to be right on top of us as soon as we go in. So let's just go in with what we've got. Just like that.
For the fallen!
And everybody on that one. Okay, they're down. Make sure we got them all, and we didn't.
For the fallen!
Okay, Mings. Oh, okay, Mings did change to his missile weapon. Okay, there's really not much else for us to do here. We cannot engage with said child, and we're just going to have to assume that said child ran back to mommy, and we'll collect our reward. So let's head back down here. And there's Mama.
Hey, ya, friend.
Thank you so much. I probably scared him as much as the wargs. I'll coax him down. Once you left here, this money is all my husband brought. And take it. My son's life is worth this and so much more. So anyway, we got us a little, oh, there's a reputation bump, but we don't need it. And the 500 XP. That's probably the most important of that part of the adventure. Well, let's, can we, I don't think we can go around the back, but let's finish clearing this top region, and then we'll go down and deal with the Sirines and whatever else awaits us at the bottom. Oh, who's lagging? Is that Emily? Come on, Emily. Yeah, let's go this way over here. And we're going to go over here. This is not really a difficult area if you can get by the Sirines. They are, and there's one right there. So one thing that does work on them is ranged weapons. And you really need to hit them before they hit you. And if they do charm one of our characters, that character will attack other party members. So let's go ahead.
Yes?
Get everybody back to ranged.
Less talk, more fight.
And I almost want to run
I stand
Carlo
ready.
up there to see if he's affected by this siren or not. And we might do that, but let's see what we can do here. And you know what, Dinah here?
Whatever they need.
I need you to cast that at that, because there's always a chance that we could disrupt the charm spell, and that gives us advantage.
For the fallen!
Boom. And it's already down. See, so the siren took 14 damage from Koran. Yeah, this guy is a beast when it comes to archery. And wow, for magic missile, that is freaking awesome. So 10, 12 damage from a magic missile. Emoin did 4. Oh, the Koran got the critical hit. That's probably why. I don't know if this second edition doubles damage on a critical hit. I believe it does, but anyway. Siren takes 8 damage from Koran. Wow, so Koran actually got 2 shots off. Spell failed because was hit by the arrow. Siren takes 11 damage from Minsk. And remember, they're shooting regular arrows. So, yeah. And there's how you take out the Sirens. You just hit them before they have a chance to hit you. And Dinah here.
They wish my ear.
Yeah. Magic. Emoin.
What you want?
Gems. And you know what?
What is your bidding?
Let's start collecting a couple of these little items again. Okay, that worked well. Let's journey on.
Not a problem.
And there's another one. And we're going to do the exact same thing again, where we're going to cast everybody attack, and Dinah here.
They're called.
Yep. This seemed to have worked very well. And let's go.
Go for the eyes, Boo. Go for the eyes. Rusk!
Let's go. Drop this thing. There she is. Okay. Dinah
Whatever
here.
they need.
More arrows. Emoin.
Yep.
Another pearl. Koran.
Life is adventure or nothing.
Okay. Another bow.
Yes?
And we'll continue.
It will be done.
And there's another one. So this is working so far. There's that.
They
Dinah
wish
here.
my ear.
There's that. That. And that. Let's go.
My
Come on. Get it down. There she is.
They're called.
I know
I care not.
I'm making this look easy,
Yes?
but
I stand ready.
I purposely avoided this area until I was higher level, because at
It
a
will be done.
Lower level, Dinah here would not have those. She would have the number of magic missiles, but she wouldn't have the amount of magic missiles. And there's going to be a cave over here, which is like Aldrax's cave. This is going to be the last thing that we actually go into. I think there's a carrion crawler out here on the point also. And there might be another siren. But, oh, maybe not. But since we know how to deal with them now, I feel comfortable that we can just clear this region. Whoops. Whoa! Okay, 3 more. Wow. Now, 3 at a time is going to be difficult. Oh, you know what I think we used to cast was silence in this area. And then once you silence them, they can't cast their charm. Well, God, I know as soon as we attack this one, these two are going to go hostile. Let's see if we can kite the one. And come on. They might just stand their ground. Yeah, I really don't want to take on all three at the same time, because that just that's an accident waiting to happen. So let's clear the rest of this map and then save the save the adventure for the end. We'll see what happens. The sirens in this area are actually part of another quest. It's Cyril, commandos. I'm gonna light them up. Cyril's commandos are from Baldur's Gate. In the city, he is gonna send us to go kill the sirens here, and then we return to him in Baldur's Gate. But we can also complete his quest by doing this first. And you know what? We need to get this underway.
Yes?
Everybody on you, I guess. No, you. Well, they're hobgoblins. Either way, they burn the same.
I stand ready.
Okay. How ready do you stand? Here we go. Boom. And it looks like they're vaporized. Let's just get a little closer to make sure
With ease.
that we got them all. And we did. See, once again, that fireball is just OP in this game. And it looks like we got a whole bunch of goodies. Any more gold? Yep. Okay. Thanks.
Cool one, sir.
Yeah. You collect all those and the swords. And sword, more arrows, sword, more arrows, sword. Wow, how many were there? Studded leather? I don't know what it's worth. But let's find out.
Whatever
Down
they
here.
need.
I need you to collect the spells. Grease. Oh, there's more arrows. Okay. Jewelry?
You're a queer fellow.
Jeez. Okay, you just keep doing your thing. And you know what? Get some arrows. Gran,
What is your bidding?
get the bows. And... Okay. And Minx,
You point, I punch.
more leather. All right. Good deal.
Yes?
Moving along. Moving along.
With ease.
Moving along now. Here we go. And whatever this is. Dreadwolf?
For the
For
fallen!
the fallen. Okay,
I stand ready.
take that.
Let's talk more fight.
Okay, take that. Go after this one.
My blade will cut you down to
Oops.
size.
You
Yes?
might as well go after that one. Oh shoot, Minx is encumbered. Not good. Okay, Minx,
Cool one,
go to
sir.
this and take him out. Okay, everybody
I stand ready.
on this
For
one.
right. And
Okay.
I always am.
And Minsk has issues. How encumbered are you? 368 out of 320. Take that away. That's not going to help. Take one of these is 43. That's not going to help either. One of those, that's almost going to do it, but not quite. How about swords? Go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And that's good for now. Top that off. M1, you can have those. And just because we're here, top those off. And M1, just because we're here, top those off. Go there, that could go there. Here we go. And journey onward.
Not a problem.
Oh. And did we clear that? No, not yet. Okay, we got, that's good enough. There it is. We're gonna go up here, cut across, and then figure out how we're gonna deal with this. So here we go. Yeah, the next couple episodes are gonna be more comfortable than the more difficult encounters that we had to go through. I believe this is our fortune teller, or yeah, Arkushule, and she wants to tell us our fortune, and just watch what happens. We're gonna push her, and eventually she's gonna crack. So.
Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. Okay. Who might you be then? Ah, great adventurer, no doubt. I could tell by your hands, stained with the magic efforts of hefting a weapon. Such are the markings. May be invisible to the average eye, but I can see plain a day. Care for a consultation? Perhaps a little old-fashioned palm reading. A little gypsy magic might steer you. Okay, so here's you. Yes, you agree, and then you just keep pushing her, and eventually she'll crack. I see no harm in a little divination on your part. Here's my palm. Let's have a look. Interesting. Although you live a hard life now, your hand tells us a softer existence not long ago. I assume you have recently taken to the road. That much is true. Go on. I thought that much. Let's have a little closer look now. Back down your lifeline. I see scholarly influence. You are well educated. Well, yes, I am a cavalier and a paladin. So you had a mentor who was a great sage. Yes, that would have been Gorion. Perhaps of considerable power as well. My foster father Gorion was a sage. Imagine that. A bit of manage. Go on. Okay. You had a reasonable, happy life, aside from being a little difficult. My, but you were quite a little hellion. I wonder where that comes from. Let's see. I can't learn about you before this. Further back, I see. Oh, merciful God! I see. Long, happy life for you and yours. 10 gold pieces, please. I'll be on my way. Oh, wait a minute. Well, happy ending after all. Here's your goal. No, wait. What did you see? I saw nothing. You'll live long and enjoy your life. It'll be going now. Back for me. Suit yourself. Here's the gold. No, you gotta tell me, please, dear lady. I have told you all I'm gonna say. Back for me now. Your life is none of my affair. Please, I don't want to be rude. Just tell me what your vision revealed. As you would have it. Here's your gold. No. Oh, please. I gotta know. Stay away from me, I warn you. I will not let you near me. And cha-ching, she goes hostile, and it's on like Donkey Kong. So here we go, guys. I think she may be a mage as well. So as long as we keep the arrows coming, and I don't know if I want to waste any more of Dinah here's magic missiles. because I want to save those for the Sirens. So we will. I don't think she was all that powerful, but let's find out.
My blade will cut you down to
Yeah,
size.
I didn't think so. So
They
anyway,
wish my ear.
yeah, you got those and some gold.
Yes?
And
With ease.
sorry, Gypsy. Should have told me what you saw. Quite the tease. Hey, come here. Let's talk. No, don't want it.
Can I assist you?
Can I assist you on it? No, can you? Um, who might this be? Pallonia. Okay, let's find out what Pallonia has to say. Ah, I know why you're here. It's the same reason everybody else comes here, and you shall get the same. No, I don't know where the iron shortage will let up. No, I have no clue as to the control of the bandits in this area. I have no interest in accompanying you in your gambling tables at Baldur's Gate. Pardon me, but if you do not trouble yourself with the events of the day, what's the purpose of your stargazing? Or what are your good musings if they have do not practical use? Perhaps your predictions are not as accurate as you believe, or I have no wish to just, I shall be on my way. Okay, let's find out which one of these is the more polite answer. Pardon me, but if you do not trouble yourself with the events of the day, what purpose do your stargazing serve? What good are your musings? Okay, this one sounds nicer. Okay, what purpose? The sword goes by no means the center of the universe. Lives and dramas are lived out across the realms, the lands closer than you think. Okay, I have no time for the problem land. I can barely keep up with domestic. And what of these lands? What intrigues lie beyond our border? And you know what? Let's keep it polite. Well, just across the southern mountains, there's troubles brewing. Great will make current concerns seem rather small comparison. To the north, there's a city where the winter never rears its ugly head. I think that is going to be the that big ice place that we're going to be going to, or they might be talking about the Icewind Dale area. And blah 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 blah. A city that has not been seen or heard of for many years. It'll come welcome. Okay, both of these events regard another and blah 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 blah. I have much to think upon and dialogue, and that's really it. There's no reason to go hostile on
I stand ready.
Pallonia.
Not a problem.
She's just kind of there as dialogue for the amusement of party members. So there is a recruitable character up here, and I keep wanting to say Chartiel, but it's not Chartiel. It's Savannah.
Yes?
Is it Savannah? Okay, there's one. What are the chances there's... Whoops, hello. What are the chances that there's going to be more? Let's deal with the one for now, see what happens. Oh, there are more. Let's, yeah, we'll do it.
I stand ready.
Can't help myself. Just too much fun to light these guys up. And you know what? Let's hit up here.
Go for the
Come on,
eyes,
hit 'em. Boom.
Go for
And
the eyes!
looks like we vaporized a couple. Are there any more?
Not a problem.
Any more up here? Yes, there are. And these guys, this one over here,
For the
we should be
fallen!
able to just take him down like that. And I don't know. What do
Yes?
you carry? You got swords, so you collect swords and gold, minks.
You
I don't
point,
know
I
how
punch.
many more. Okay, that's it for you. And
What you want?
get diamonds or Zarkone's arrows. And
Life
Koran.
is adventure or nothing.
Oh, there's still more to get. So we need to get
I
closer.
stand ready.
Let's get
With
closer
ease.
with our group. Oh my gosh, there's another one. Okay, here we go. Just go into him. Boom, he's down. Okay. And let's go a little further north. And there's another one? Come on. Another 2. Hello. Okay,
All
you're going to
right.
drop.
And I always
Okay,
am.
you don't
My
have a
blade
missile
will cut
weapon.
you down to size.
You're down. Oh, did somebody just take damage? Oh, and he's poisoned. From what? What are you? Squirrel! Jahira.
Nature's servant awaits.
Poison on Koran. Okay. Now, are there more of these guys up here?
It will be done.
No. Okay. That was interesting.
Yep.
Yep. Okay, get some arrows. I don't know if we're going to be able to collect all these swords or not.
They're called?
Yeah. Get that. You.
The storm is always preferable to the
That.
calm.
There's some arrows for you. Get that. And that's good. You
Yes?
can carry another sword. Minsk? I don't know if you
I stand ready. With ease.
Minsk is encumbered?
Less talk, more fight.
Yes. Okay, get rid of that. Or just get rid of one of those. 309, 303, it doesn't really matter. Who can carry this? Can you carry that? Nope, that's just going to put you over the top. Okay. Jahira. Yes, you can carry that. Okay, let's go back. So you pick up a couple more. And I think that's
Yes?
everything.
It will be done.
Okay, that got everything there. And oops, another sword. That's good. Okay, I think we got everything. And I'm encumbered.
I stand ready.
Okay. Let's idle. Nope. Throwing axes. And who can carry those? Jahira? Yep. Good deal. Here we go.
With ease.
Let's see how much farther we can clear. We'll go for a couple. Oh, I'm still encumbered? Or is
Yes?
that just old? Oh, nuts. Just drop it. Okay.
I stand ready.
It
will be done.
Ready. And sure enough, there's our... let's go back and find Storm. Whoops. Storm is the one that... no? Okay, where's everybody? Let's meet in the middle. And whatever that is... Dreadwolf. We can deal with it. Okay, and Minsk, of course, you're in the back.
Fool me
Everybody
once, she
down
squeaky
here.
will get cool once.
Go after him. You go after him. Okay, that should be both of them.
Yes?
Nope, we got one up here. Okay, he's down.
Not a problem.
Not a problem. All right. Let's at least meet Savannah or run into her. Maybe we'll save her for the next episode because that's going to be. That way we'll deal with her, we'll deal with the Sirens, and we'll deal with the cave. The cave does have something very interesting in it. It's right down here. It is another tome, one of the rare ones in the game. And I believe this is a tome of Constitution. And I think it's the only one in the game. I thought Savannah was on this level. Maybe not. Yeah, she is. We just gotta find her. And then we'll have the dialogue with her in the next episode, and we will take a look at her stats. I believe she is neutral in a way, so she would be recruitable. Well, she should have been around here somewhere. There she is. Savannah? Yes. Okay. So, in the next episode, we'll have a talk with her. Hey guys, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, let me know why in the comment section. Please subscribe. Can't emphasize that enough, Please subscribe. Tell everybody to jump onto this channel. I'm small. I'm a nobody, but I'm really doing something that I enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. Just a quick shout out to Jesse Cornwell. He was a gamer who influenced a lot of people in Kings of War, and he recently passed away. So I just want you guys to know that I'm thinking about him. And so here's a little rest in peace tribute to him. Anyway, you guys, thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next
You
one.
have
Take
the
care.
most
Oops.
beautiful
There we go.
eyes.
All right, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.